up? It's Chloe's Cooking Corner back. This is birthday edition for my birthday. So we're going to look up American pancakes on our thermometer. There we go. And then we're going into it.
Yep.
Start cooking. So first we need butter. We've already got this here before we set it up the video, so it's a bit quicker. So, whoa. So that's 54. But that's okay, because if you go a little bit overweight, that's okay. But if you go a lot overweight, that's not okay.
Especially in baking, hey darling.
So in the TM6, the MC only comes off when you want it to come off. So if you did this, it doesn't fall off. Hey guys, we're back! So it's done now, so we press next. Do you see how those are red? It's warning us that it's really hot. So milk is next. Always get this milk because it helps the farmers. So you can see them all mixed.
And melted butter, because it melted the butter first of all, didn't it, darling?
Sugar. We already.
And you can use any sugar, hey, whatever sugar you use at home, or leave it out.
White sugar, or you could use coconut sugar.
Yep. And you can put as much as you want. So if you only want to put 10 grams, you can, hey.
Or if you want to do half it, you can put in
15. Yeah. Okay.
So that's what it looks like when the flour's in there. So flour, it took over.
Great job. And you might need those teaspoons next for the salt.
Yeah, I think you need a quarter of the salt. Quarter teaspoon of the salt.
There you go.
Okay, now we have to insert our lid.
Beautiful. So now it's mixed, isn't it, darling?
So we will see you later for the finished product. Bye, see you later.
So Chloe's gone off to play on her new iPad. So I just want to show you, I've put our pancake batter into my cupcake pan. They're really amazing. You just turn it upside down and squish it into your pan. And in here we've got some cream, because she actually wants cream on her pancakes, which we wouldn't normally do for a breakfast. But because it's her birthday, we've got our butterfly whisk in, and we're just going to do that on speed 4 until it's whipped.
So this is the finished product of our pancakes. So I'm going to have the best birthday breakfast ever. So thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe and like this video. Bye.
And happy 9th birthday, Chloe.